Okay, I'd like to just show an app that you can use on a phone or a desktop for editing videos. So the app is FilmoreGo. It's a free app. I think it's device agnostic, so I think it should be able to get this app across Android and Apple, on iPhones, all sorts of different devices. So here goes. So I'm just going to show you this app. So when you go into this app, you can create a new video. So what I like about this is I can go in here and say, for example, I have this 2-minute clip, 2 minutes 11 seconds that I'm going to choose. But I know that after the first minute, the dog came in barking. So I just want to edit a little bit out, or I made a little bit of a mistake, whatever that is in the video, something I want to take out. So at 59, I'm going to add that little piece. Okay. And then I want to now move on, and I want to add in most of the rest of the video, bar a little bit at the end. So I'm going to take out 10 seconds there. Okay, and I'm going to add that in. So now you can see I have two clips. So where I've edited the one, like it was the one video clip initially, and now I've made it two. So that's fine. And then maybe I want to add another clip. So from a different video. So they're both from the same one. So maybe you want to go back in and I want to add something here, like this 7-second bit I want to bring in as well. I might trim that a little bit, whatever it is, I'm going to add that as well now. So now you see you have 3 clips. So you can add as many here as you want. So say then, for example, I want to go into this particular clip and I actually want to record new voiceover. So the sound that's actually on it right now, maybe I want to take that off. So audio filters, I can remove that, move everything down. So there's no, the audio that was recorded initially will be gone. And then, so I'm on clip 3. I'm not doing this for all clips. You can scroll between the clips here on the left hand side. So I'm just on clip 3. And maybe I want to record a new voiceover. So you can literally click voiceover. And by tapping to record, you can record your own new voiceover over any particular clip. There are lots of other things you can do on this, like you can crop, you can put in images if you like, you can filter, overlays, titles, change the speed, rotate, like this, whatever that is. I mean, it's really flip them vertically and horizontally. Lots of nice little things. You could duplicate a clip and, you know, you can do different adjustments. You can play around with different things. But from a very simple perspective, I think it's nice where I can literally just edit my clips a little bit and change the voiceover. Okay, so when you're ready then, you can go ahead and save your project. So once that project has saved, it'll export it to a video. You can preview it. So if I press preview there, I'll be able to have a look and make sure I'm happy. You can save it to your own camera roll and then upload it to wherever it is you're uploading your content. So it could be to something like OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, it could be to Google Classroom, whatever that is, Schoology, Edmodo, whatever one you're using. So there are other ways there. You can click on more to try and upload directly, or you can save there to your own camera roll. So if I want, I can save that and then it'll be accessible within my phone and then I can share it whichever way I want. Okay, so just once again, what's the app I'm using there? So I'll just show you it in my Play Store. This is the app I'm using. So yeah, try it out. This might just help some people.